Unlock the secrets of baking. Preheat the oven to, explained. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's simple yet crucial in the world of cooking and baking. Preheat the oven to. Whether you're a beginner in the kitchen or improving your English for daily life, understanding this instruction can make a big difference. So, let's explore what it means, why it's important, and how to use it correctly. Stay tuned to become more confident in both your cooking and language skills. Preheat the oven to is a common instruction found in many cooking and baking recipes. But what does it actually mean? To preheat the oven means to turn it on and allow it to reach a specific temperature before you start cooking or baking anything. For example, if a recipe says, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or 180 degrees Celsius, it means you need to heat your oven to that temperature before placing your food inside. You might wonder why this step is necessary. Preheating the oven ensures that your food starts cooking at the right temperature from the moment it enters the oven. This is crucial for even cooking, ensuring the whole dish cooks uniformly. Texture and flavor, achieving the desired crispiness, fluffiness, or moistness. Timing accuracy, cooking food for the correct duration, as recipes base their timing on the assumption that the oven is at the right temperature. Skipping this step can lead to undercooked, overcooked, or unevenly cooked dishes, affecting the overall quality of your meal. Preheating is simple, but here's how to do it correctly. 1. Turn on your oven. 2. Select the baking mode, if your oven has multiple modes. 3. Set the temperature to the required level, as indicated in your recipe. 4. Wait for the oven to reach this temperature. Most ovens have a light that turns off or a beep that sounds to indicate they've reached the desired temperature. Tip: it usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes for an oven to preheat, but this can vary depending on the oven. Not waiting for the oven to fully preheat. Putting food in too early can lead to poor results. Ignoring the preheat step in recipes. This step is included for a reason and is vital for the reasons mentioned earlier. Forgetting to check your oven's temperature accuracy. Sometimes, ovens can be off by a significant amount. An oven thermometer can help ensure accuracy. We hope this video has shed light on the importance of the phrase, preheat the oven to, and why it's a step you shouldn't skip in your cooking and baking adventures. Remember, understanding and following this simple instruction can greatly impact the success of your dishes. Thank you for watching, and happy baking! May your dishes always turn out just as you've planned, delicious and perfectly cooked.